Hello everyone, I hope you are all well. We're going to get started on creating some really cool birds, okay, little doodle birds. I'm using watercolor paint and I'm using the watercolor paper, okay. You don't have to use watercolor paper. This is or paint. These are birds created with crayon on construction paper, okay. So if you don't want to deal with the mess with the paint, then here we go. And also remember, any of your littles, any kind of doodles that they do with crayons, you can create things out of them with a simple fine point Sharpie. So that's a lot of fun, and that's what we're going to do. So let's get started, okay? With watercolor paint, or paper, we're going to choose where we're going to put our bird, but we're going to have to prep the paint space. So we're going to have to just paint some water on here. We're going to put a little bird right here. And he's gonna be cute. Let's make him green. Okay, green bird, add some more water. All right, let's go. There we go. Pretty cool, huh? I love the way it spreads out. Once I get all these birds on the paper, then I will take a paper towel and kind of dab things up a little bit, because I'm not gonna take all that time that it's going to take for it to dry. So I hope this finds you well. Let's do a little guy down here. And let's make him blue. A little bit more water here. Pretty cool. These guys turn out to be really cute. And we can do flowers, we can do thumbprint creatures. The child will take their thumb, stick it in some paint, put their print on the paper, and you can create all kinds of cool things with a Sharpie. And add some darker, kind of create shadow. I'll do it over here as well. Some blue to the screen. Okay. Now, next bird. Okay, let's make a big fat bird. He's eating all his snacks in quarantine. Alright. This is a fun little project for you and the kids to do, or kids and their grandparents. I have 13 grandchildren and one on the way, so I'm excited about this baby coming in July. This baby will be born in Alaska. That's where I live, is in Alaska, but while on vacation visiting my grandbabies, got two new grandbabies, one in Indiana and one here in Georgia, ended up in quarantine, so making the best of it here. And I tell you, there's never a dull moment, not with 4 grandbabies, and one's brand new. And Daddy's deployed. He's out of the country, serving our country. Okay, now, with this little orange guy, let me add some red, and shade him up a little bit. See how that water just takes that paint and moves it? Okay. Now I think I'm going to add, do flower too. Let's do a flower down here. Okay. like I said, with a paper towel, I'll dab this up. And it'll also lighten everything up a little bit. Alright. Okay, let's do... I think that's gonna be it. I think we're just gonna do 3 birds. I'll add more flowers later if we need to. So let's get started with this. Some of that. Up. We can get started on the outline. We're going to outline it with a Sharpie today. Pretty cool, huh? Look at all the colors. I did a live earlier today. It's a cool design. Looks like a turtle or frog. So I had 2 left over. Okay, I'll do the flower last. All right, cool. Now, first thing we're gonna do with our Sharpie is we're gonna outline the bird, okay? And it doesn't have to be perfect. This is just for fun. This is your bird. So let's get started with the outlining. Okay. Perfect. Now let's do, let's go ahead and do the flower. And we're going to add details to everything too with the Sharpie. And with Posca pens. Everybody know what a Posca pen is? Okay, now let's do legs. Long and scrawny. Give them some toes. And go over your legs twice, okay? Gives them a little depth. And they're not going to be perfect. Go clear to the bottom of the page with these legs. Alright. Now, the beaks. And his eye. I'm going to go back later with that eye and put a dot in it. He has a different beak. Alright. Okay. Pretty cool, huh? Still a little wet. Alright. Now let's do wings. Let's do wings. This is your bird, so you can do your wings however you want. Okay. Everybody will be a little different here. Let's make some squiggly lines for this guy's wings. Okay. some squiggly for the tail feathers. These are fun. Okay. Let's see. This guy's got some small tail feathers. And let's do squigglies up here too. Just give him 2. Okay. Let's do this guy's tail feathers like this. And let's give him squigglies up at the top. Okay. What do you think? Pretty neat, huh? All right, now let's start painting in the beaks. Okay. Grab some water. Grab some orange, yellow. All right, beak time. We're going to go back over with Posca pen later and throw in some dots in his eyes and maybe put some white dots on the body, around the breast area of these birds. Make some pop. We'll color in the top knots as well. Add some yellow to that. Looks good. Let's do 3 different colors. That would be cool. Okay, now we have another top knot over here. So let's go with some red here, some orange. How are your birds looking? Don't forget to send me some pictures. Take pictures. You can go over to Facebook at Party Arty with Mary Miller Art and like the page there. And I've been alive on that page. It's a free pop-up paint party. I do those every now and then. Homeschoolers love it. All right. One more. And I've also got an event on there too for Mother's Day. It's a Mother's Day event. And it will be painted prayer. So it's for everyone. It's for the kids, the moms, the dads, the grandmas, and the grandpas. So definitely check it out. It's coming up on May 8th at 8:30 p.m. Eastern Time. And there's a list of things that you will need. And the cost for that is $15. So if you have, I'm going to do some shading here. If you have, you know, a house full of folks because you're quarantined, that's fine. It's still just $15. No problem. It's not $15 per person. So just grab your supplies and we'll have some fun. Grab a snack, grab your favorite drink, or maybe you just want to do it for yourself after the kids are in bed. It will be in a separate private group that you would be added to once you grab your ticket, and we'll go from there. Okay, nice little shading there. Now we're going to do some shading at the bottom. Let me see. Let me check out this. This flower leaves a lot to be desired. It didn't turn out the way I wanted it to. But it'll do. It'll do. I'll be doing a separate tutorial on just the flowers by themselves. And some funny faces, some doodle faces. All right. Pretty cool. Now, let's grab the Posca pen. Use Posca pen, you shake it up real good. And the tip goes inside and it primes it. So let's go in for a white dot. I'll go over these white dots because the black marker wants to absorb it. Let's see, let's do some white dots on Mr. Blue down here in the breast area. Let's do some dots in this guy's wing. I like the way his wing turned out two-tone. In this guy. He's got a cute thing, looks like an upside down heart. Okay. Oh, that's still wet. Alright, let's do some white dots on this guy's breast as well. Okay, Instagram. Now it's time to do some shading. I'm going to do some shading down at the bottom. Pretend like this flower is not there. Didn't turn out at all the way I wanted. It was just an afterthought. And then we'll do some shading up underneath their bellies. Okay. And then we'll be done with these guys. You can even do more shading and pop in some more things, throw in some clouds, more of a background if you choose to do that. So let's get started. I'm gonna grab some black. Put on my palette. All right, now I'll grab some white. bellies just a little bit. I don't even need to add more paint to the brush. We've got plenty. Okay. You can create these guys and make cards out of them, little note cards, and that would be cute. So, a little shading around this flower. But there you go, guys, and don't forget to sign your artwork. Always sign your artwork. So, give me your thoughts. Let me bring you up close. And I think what I might do is grab some white paint, put it in there. That Posca pen just got absorbed into that marker. We'll see how it does with that. Okay, we are done. Hope you enjoyed it, and give me some ideas on some more things that you'd like to see. All right, you guys have a great rest of the weekend.